Hi guys, this is Tim Queen. Welcome to the beautiful Singapore. As you can see, I'm currently at Marina Bay Sands and I'm enjoying this beautiful sunset just happening behind me. And today I want to talk about something. I met two really brilliant guys who have this incredible startup idea. And what they were doing, they were meeting with me to discuss their marketing strategies. Now, they were really passionate about their idea. And the problem is both of them don't have a marketing background or a sales background. So the marketing strategy plan they came up with has a big flaw in my opinion. I'm going to talk about this today and I'm going to share why it's so important to change the marketing strategy from this specific problem to a more generic solution. Now what they have done is they have developed a plan of action which is really working fine. They have identified their three key markets and they have crafted a very narrow, very specific strategy how to enter those specific local niche markets. Now, the problem with that is if you're starting out to develop a business plan or a marketing strategy plan for that matter, it's really important that you're having a big picture strategy at all times. It's really important because when you're starting to get very narrow, it's kind of like you're getting this tunnel vision, like your focus becomes smaller and smaller and you're not seeing what's going on around you. Now, what might work in one specific local area it's not necessarily working in all the different places. It's important that you start from the top down planning this and then developing a specific localized plan for each of the local sub-markets. But they have to be in alignment with the bigger picture market plan. Now what I'm recommending is that you're starting to identify all the different marketing strategies and channels that you are going to use for your big picture plan. This can be like 10 strategies, that can be like 5 specific social media networks. But once you have the key plan, you have to then take the big picture plan and to adjust it for the local market. Now this way, it helps you to identify what is it that you want to do as a whole. So everything that you're doing in the local sub-market will still be aligned with the big picture plan. Now the small picture plan has to be adjusted over time. You can identify let's say someone building a country manager or a local area manager for a specific city. This person has to develop the specific strategies that you are going to use in this local market. This might not include all the 20 strategies that you have identified, but it might only focus on 2 or 3 main categories that have the highest probability of success. Now what you have to do then is we don't want to stop there. We want to take the information and the learnings that we are taking from each local market and feed that back into the big picture plan. This is really essential because oftentimes the big picture plan can't be aware of all the details, and sometimes the learnings we're finding in the small area translate to something that we can implement in the broader strategy of things. Another example I very often see is that people starting with a very specific marketing strategy for just one channel. It might be someone coming over and say I need an Instagram strategy to grow the business, or I need a LinkedIn strategy, or I need a YouTube strategy, or I need some Twitter strategy. And the reason why you don't want to start with one social media network is you want to understand how all the pieces work together. It's not just one thing will solve all of your problems. It's how you play all of your cards that you have in the best possible manner to win in this game in the long run. So let me know in the comments below, what do you think of having an overall big picture marketing plan versus going really specific, really tactical for specific social media networks, for specific local geographic areas? Let me know in the comments below and make sure that you subscribe and turn the notification bell on if you want to get more videos about marketing and business strategies that work in 2020.